Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room they go by, we can do it anyhow. Ah, you know we'll see you through, 'cause every day we pay the price.
So today we're on the road, and we have to stop at this place, man. We have to stop at this place. Dickie's his name, right?
DICKIE'S
Barbecue Pit, bro. Nice Americana, real Southern barbecue style. You know, they had like good chicken, good pork, good brisket. I'ma show you guys. I'ma show you the brisket. Tastes awesome.
And they do it in all different kind of styles.
All different styles.
Loaded baked potatoes.
Yeah, they had pulled pork. I mean, real American thing, and so we have to buy some because guess what? We haven't tried anything out of our genre for quite some time, and that's one of the things that we're gonna be doing, you know, more often, mukbang, with different types of food. As we stumble upon them, we're gonna get it and do it. We would do these things at the restaurant, but I'm not about that Corona life. So yeah, hey, big up on yourself, guys. Listen, more food mukbangs coming. Yeah, make we get into the food now. All right, I'm come off of the road now. I'll go home and get into the eating the food. It is such a good thing. So right off US 1, as you are about to head into Jensen Beach, in that plaza where the Joann's Fabric is and the Home Depot, there is Dickie's BBQ Pit, a Texas style family owned barbecue restaurant that I stumbled upon. We were just heading home and I said, you know what, let's go over there and see what it's about. And this is what we were pleasantly surprised with. A beautiful little place with good food, nice stuff, and guess what, guys? Something that I've always wanted to try, some real authentic Texas barbecue. Yeah, we had to sample something. So this is what you get, a little taste of what we taste. That's the brisket right there, right?
Looks good. Ooh, samples up in here. Thank you.
How is it?
Super good.
So you want?
You guys serve it with a sauce?
We don't, our motto, we don't destroy the meat with the sauce. We leave that to y'all.
Right. It's good.
So you want the half pound of brisket? Okay.
That just made me happy. That just made me happy. The brisket. You like it?
Mm-hmm. It's good.
So why are you giving it back? Why are you giving it back? It's good.
I'm always looking for good food.
Us too. Yeah, because we done ate this so much, man. We don't even eat no more. We want it out now. And I've been here a year. I think after my first 3 months here, my wife even there, she was like, baby, don't bring home no more. I'm like, okay. My daughter, on the other hand, the only thing she wanted some French fries.
Oh no.
I gotta take her French fries every
Your
day.
French fries are good?
We got waffle fries.
Oh Lord. You shouldn't even mention that.
Are they seasoned?
We have a seasoning that we put on them out.
Ooh.
That's what they call it, fufu. I'm like, what is a fufu?
So guys, let me tell you first and foremost, the staff was so friendly and nice. It was a pleasure just talking to them and rapping, shooting the breeze. They have an extensive menu and we did not explore everything. We definitely plan to, but for now we just took two meats, some brisket, and we tried their sausage. They also have their sauce to go, guys, and I promise you, when you taste the sauce, you will know what I'm talking about. Their menu, it features so many different things, guys, like loaded baked potato. Again, this was a impromptu stop, I definitely have to come back and sample as much as I can from their platter. So let me take the food and go home and see if we can start eating now. Come on. So we just got home with our food, yeah, and we just want to show you guys what's in it. All right. So you're gonna show first.
Yummy.
What is it?
This is smoked sausage.
Yeah,
freshly made smoked kielbasa sausage.
Yep.
Yeah, with cheddar in there, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is, I don't know, brisket.
This is brisket. Ooh. And them sell it by the pound, by the half pound or the pound.
So this is like.
And this was like $6 a pound. And the brisket was a little bit on the upper side. Yeah, it was $9. It was $9 a pound. So.
And we have rice and peas and that.
What do you mean that?
Cucumbers.
And then they gave us a bunch of sauce.
Guys, look at here. Jensen, look at here.
Show them the sausage.
Sauce
the sauce
for
then.
days.
Sauce mountain.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna start, well, I'm gonna start sharing my rice into the top of like the plate it got served in.
And while he does that, I'll just start eating.
You need to point the thing towards the camera, see?
Just one more spoon.
Wait, don't move your hand. Right.
And I'm just gonna pick one piece of this brisket.
That's a thick piece of brisket, Joshua.
What is this, like pork or?
No, it's beef.
Beef brisket. The sausage is good, but it's a little bit spicy for me, but not
It's-
over the top.
It's jalapeno cheddar.
Oh.
It's
That's
jalapeno
why.
cheddar.
Pass me one of the sauce.
Hold on, and them clean, see? See?
And we have
And-
a ton load of sauce.
And this is made in-house, guys.
Buffalo. So we have outlaw.
Joshua, go try that.
I'm not looking forward to outlaw.
Buffalo sauce.
Buffalo, I'm not looking forward to buffalo.
It's not that spicy.
Then you have SP. I don't know what that
I think it's a sweet one.
is. Okay, I'm here.
Oh,
for that.
spicy. That's spicy.
And this is
Texas hot.
Texas. Oh. And this is C.
Carolina.
Okay.
That's like a mustard-based sauce. The Carolina sauce. Yeah, see there? And guys, please don't ask why Yardabelly is not in front of the not eating as well. I am manning the camera. That's my job.
This brisket tastes really, it tastes like beef jerky, but it's salty.
And it's softer. And guys, this is real Americana style barbecue. You know, these guys said they make their own barbecue. They make it from scratch. The sausage, I really like the fact that the sausage is made from scratch. You know,
It's so soft.
How do you know it's made from scratch?
Well done.
I can see it. You can see the texture of the sausage and know that they make it from scratch. Look at the brisket, guys.
And we actually asked, and the man said he has to come.
Nice. I'm showing a close up of the sausage. Look at that. Nice, man. On US 1, right as you start entering into Jensen Beach, DICKIE'S. It's on your left-hand side, heading south on US 1. All the
You see,
food.
this is the fatty part of the brisket. I'm not a fatty person, but this is so good.
Wow.
With a little burnt, charred edges.
This is SP. I don't know what that stands for.
Spicy.
Oh.
Oh. It's more sweet to me.
It tastes more sweet to you?
Let me stick with the plain.
So how come nobody now take the cucumber? But see ya.
Wait.
I don't eat cucumbers.
The cucumber is for cooling, the cooling effect after the spice.
I don't eat cucumbers. It tastes like dishwater.
Wow.
So who feed you dishwater? Why know dishwater taste?
You drink dishwater?
I've tasted it.
Look at this, guys.
How does this sound?
And they have pork too, you know, Josh, but I didn't want any pork.
So you put rice, brisket, then you top it with a cucumber, and then you put a slice of sausage.
No, man. This is good.
Look. Ta-da!
What do you want?
Sausage.
Taste that sausage, Josh. It's good, huh? Let me ask you a question.
Easy.
Why do you smell your food before you taste it?
Oh,
Does anybody else smell the food before they actually bite it?
to know if it's just to know how it smells. Who doesn't do that?
I don't do that once I'm eating the food. I just eat the food.
Or
What
to
if
check,
it smells like
to check if
bleach
it's
or
spoiled.
something?
What if it's spoiled?
All right. Look at this. Joshua is taking a cucumber.
I need a small one.
Guys, not tell no lie. This food tastes good. And it's by Buck Up, you know, guys. By Buck Up, up in the stands.
What is, oh, I was about to ask you what's a buck up.
By chance. Jamaicans say Buck Up. It's so good.
The brisket is so soft and succulent.
And this rice and peas is not from there, though. The rice and peas is Jamaican. Remember just telling that from now.
There's no American rice and peas.
Peas and rice.
Beans. Rice and beans. Like, I would go there back right now. I'll go back down there right now for just more of this. More sausage. Woo! Real cheddar cheese.
The real question is
Real.
where you're gonna put all them sauces.
Where am I gonna put all the sauces? I'm gonna use them.
No, we need a bottle.
I'm gonna use them one by one.
We need a bottle for all these.
They gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 containers of sauce.
14, 15, 16.
14, 15, 16 containers of sauce. Because the guy said try everything and tell me which one you like. I'm about to. I tried the hot one.
I think the hot one is out.
This is Texas hot.
Wait.
I tried Texas hot. Wait. Not that hot. Not super duper hot. Where's the outlaw one, Josh? Is it super hot? Let me try the outlaw. It have real pepper in there, and I can see the peppers. Yeah. Let me try the outlaw. I'm gonna pour it on my brisket because I'm not stupid.
Should have asked him which one is the hottest.
He said the outlaw, duh. Nope, not hot. Not hot at all.
For real?
So guys, that's it for our mukbang today. I'll polish up all of this and then go find something else to eat. Big up on yourself and peace.
Who do you think you are?
The food, when name?
Best ever food.
Best ever food review show.
A piece. What are you saying, Josh? What's your outro?
Deuces.
He says deuces.
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 That's so old school.